Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're looking at a Fitbit watch. This is by Google. As you can see here, it is the Versa 4 Fitbit watch. This is a really nice quality watch. I'm going to go over some of the features and benefits of it real quick. Just give you some information about this watch. This is a really nice quality watch, really nice color. It has 6+ days battery life with fast charging. iOS and Android compatible, which is really super important. Also, it's in the box. Also, you get two different bands. You get the small and the large. Also comes with a charger as well in the box. And also, it has a lot of interesting features. It tracks your sleep. It'll help you wake up smarter. Smart Wake it has on it as well. It gives you a sleep profile so you can see how well you're sleeping, time before you sound asleep. It really gives you a lot of ideas of your rhythm as far as sleeping concerned. So that's really a really important feature. I like that as well. It's a really good feature. It has so many different things here. It has Sweat and Smart Way, which is built in GPS, 40+ exercise modes as well, in daily reading scores. So you can see what you're doing. You can read your scores and see how you're doing throughout the day. That's what's in this box. So you got the charger, you got the watch, you get the bands all in this package right here. There's different colors that are available in this package as well. Now keep track of your health, which is 24/7 heart rate. So it monitors your heart rate, which is really nice. So resting heart rate when you're sleeping and when you're active. That's pretty cool. And also it does skin temperature. I like that. So it kind of measures your temperature of your body, which a lot of the other smartwatches don't do that. So that's important. Just what's included: SpO2 and skin temperature. Again, those are really important things as well. Another thing is includes a 6-month premium membership with this here as well. So you get 6 months free within the package. You can sign up, register, and get all that with the daily. All your score, your sleep profile, your advanced sleep analytics, wellness report, and mindful sessions are all part of that premium package, and I do like that as well. So that's really a nice feature as well. And let me see what else. Okay guys, listen, I want to just wrap up this video and say thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. Also, check out that QR code on the top right side of your screen. Scan that with your phone if you're watching this on TV or whatever. Appreciate that as always. And at the end of the video, you can just press on the link at the end of the video. Also, there'll be a link down below in the description for the exact same product. And I do get a small commission just to be fair and transparent, and will cost you nothing. And I do appreciate that. So I hope I brought you some value. If I did, let me know. Leave some comments down below. That means a lot to me as well. Have a great day, and thanks for watching, and always make every day the best that you can.